2/3 of a consignment was sold at a profit of 5% and the remainder at a loss of 2%. If the total profit was rupees 400, find the value of the consignment. So let's say this is the entire consignment and 2/3 of this, so 2/3 was sold at a profit while 1/3 was sold at a loss. So let's say the value of the whole consignment or the cost price is equal to X rupees. So 2/3 of X was sold at a profit while 1/3 of X was sold at a loss. So this is at profit and this is at a loss. And what we have been given is that the total profit was rupees 400. So the profit gained by this minus the loss was 400. So let's understand this. So suppose this was the cost price. Now 1/3 has been sold at a loss. So this is where 1/3 was sold at. And 2/3 was sold at a 5% profit. So let's say this is where the profit was made. So this is 2/3 and this is 1/3. Now considering this loss, of course the loss is lesser than the profit because profit is 5% while loss is 2%, and that too loss is only for 1/3 while the profit is for the bigger portion, which is 2/3. So the net price after subtracting the profit from the loss will come somewhere here, and this has been given as 400 rupees. So now we know that we have been given only one number in the whole example. So of course we have to formulate the equation in such a way that the equation equates to this number, and then we'll be able to find the variable, which is the cost price. So let's find out. So we know that on the right hand side it will be 400, which is nothing but the overall profit. So overall profit will be comprised of the profit that we have made on 2/3 of the consignment and also the loss. So the profit is 5% of the 2/3 of the consignment. So 5% means 0.05, and this is only for 2/3 of the consignment. So this is the profit, but we have also made a loss for the remainder. So we subtract the loss. So loss is 0.02 because it is 2% multiplied by 1/3 of X. 1/3 of X because this is the 1/3 portion that we sold at a loss. And the overall equation equates to the profit, which is 400 rupees. So let's now calculate this. So 5 2s are 10, and then we have decimal point at 2 places. So 0.1 X divided by 3 minus 0.02 X divided by 3 is equal to 400, or we can take 3 as the LCM. So this will be 0.1 X minus 0.02 X is equal to 400. So let's take this 3 on the other side. So it is division, it will become multiplication, and it's in the denominator, and it will now become the numerator. So or 0.1 X minus 0.02 X is equal to 400 multiplied by 3. Now 0.1 minus 0.02, so let's put 0 here, so this becomes 0, 1 carry over, So 8 0.0. So 0.08 x is equal to, for 3s are 12, so 1200, or x is equal to 1200 divided by 0.08. So here we can remove this decimal and add two zeros. So this becomes 120000 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8 and then 4 carry over. So 8 fives are 40 and 000. So this is equal to 15,000 rupees. So this is the value of the consignment, or the cost price of the consignment.